Question: what on earth are you looking at? Back in a minute. Hey, this is John from New York City, and you are looking at the best of both worlds. This is a vegetable beef square. Something I decided to do. I made it in my 8 by 8. I cut some off, the rest I'm freezing. Really, really good. Okay, now you like your veggies, you like everything else, you like convenience. Okay. I decide it's basically, if you really want to know what it is, it's a basic meatloaf recipe. Oh no, not meatloaf again. But I took it beyond to the regular meatloaf. What I did was I took a can and drained it both. A can of string beans, green beans, strained it, no fluids, no liquids, diced carrots, made my typical meatloaf basic recipe. This time I did use canned tomato sauce, the 8-ounce can. I used one egg, some breadcrumb. You can put whatever you like in there, eyeball it. I put it all together, and I just basically call this a beef and veggie square. As you see, it was done in the 8 by 8. I put it in the 8 by 8 pan for 55 minutes at 350. This is one of those, it's all in one pan meals. I am for all in one pan meals. Why? Because it's easy. The vegetables are cooked. They really work well. Another great flavor combination if you're going to do a beef and vegetable burger or square. Instead of doing the burgers, just make the 8 by 8 and cut them in squares. It's so much easier that way, I'm telling you. So it's like the best of both worlds, like the best of having, let's say, a veggie burger, but if you like meat too, because I noticed something lately. Tell me if you noticed it as well. I have noticed that to me, some of the beef packages are shrinking. They're in the same packaging, but when I open it up, the volume of the meat seems less to me. Just saying, just saying. So anyway, just a thought. I'll put the recipe below. Have an amazing day. Hey, listen, why not do everything in the one pan? Less mess, more time saved, quicker way to Netflix. I mean, I didn't say that channel, now did I? Have an amazing, fantastic day, everybody. Take good care. Bye bye.